everybody, I'm Julie.
And I'm Chad.
Welcome to Julie and Chad's Rescue Ranch. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, or welcome back to our channel if you're a subscriber. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. It really does help us out. It helps us get our videos out, and ultimately, it will help get our fosters adopted. Subscribing to our channel is free, so thank you so much. We really appreciate it. Let us know in the comments what you think, and give it a thumbs up if you like it. Okay, so I had this really great idea that I thought it would be fun to take 8 dogs camping. And then I realized, where are we gonna go camping? We can't take 8 dogs to a campground and unleash them on everyone and ruin everyone's fun. We wouldn't wanna do that. So I thought, why not camp in the back of our property? We never go back there. It's wild, it's crazy. We haven't done much care and maintenance on it in about 3 or 4 years. When we first moved to the property, we cleaned up around a huge hickory tree. We built some different trails as well, kind of coming and going from that tree. But other than that, we haven't been back there in about 3 or 4 years. It's where all of the coyotes, the deer, the skunk, all of the wild turkeys live. And we just don't let the dogs go back there. We have it all fenced off and it's gone wild. So I thought, hey, wouldn't it be a great idea to kind of clean up and take the dogs camping there? So check it out, see what happens. Okay, so it wasn't quite as grown up as I had expected. Chad told me that probably a year and a half ago he came through and did some mowing and some weed eating. So that made it a lot easier for me to have to weed eat, because I remembered it being way taller than it was. But he told me he has been coming back here just trying to keep the area cleaned out around this giant hickory tree. Now I just have to cut down a small cedar tree. It shouldn't be here anyway. We went about trying to clear all the cedar around this huge hickory tree a few years back, just so it could be healthy and grow. It's a really big old one, and we didn't want it to suffer from all of the cedar growing around it and taking away its sunlight and nutrients and stuff like that. So anyway, Okay, so we got the tent all set up, we got the lights strung, we got the carpet rolled out. Unfortunately, I didn't get a lot of that on video because the camera fell over, I ran out of batteries, I didn't want to walk back to the house from all the way in the back of our property, so we missed out on some of that, but hey, we're looking good now, and we're ready to camp out. But then I sprained my ankle, and I can't really walk or do anything for 2 days. It was pretty painful, and then I healed pretty quickly. So right after my ankle starts feeling better, then it rains for 2 days. And the good thing about the rain though, it brought in this cooler weather. And so tonight, I'm gonna be camping with the dogs. So I'm pretty excited because it's the perfect weather for a campfire, to roast some weenies, to roast some marshmallows, to just hang out, listen to music, chill with the dogs, and just have some fun camping. Unfortunately, everyone else is gonna be gone tonight. Delaney, Chad, they all have other things that they have to be doing. Delaney's working. So it's just gonna be me and the dogs tonight. So get ready, check it out. Okay guys, before we go camping tonight, we decided to take a little break, or I did because I'm the only one going camping, to go get some tacos, and Chad's not going with me tonight. Chad, why are you not going?
Because there's a race at the Nashville Fairgrounds and I want to check it out. So Julie's gonna camp on her own.
All right, let's go get some tacos, get some energy, and then I'll see you guys later. Okay, I am finally at my campsite after about 2 weeks of setup and a lot of problems with, like I said, my sprained ankle, the weather, everything else. We are finally here. It is Saturday and we're gonna camp out. I just have one dog with me right now. Someone was shooting fireworks off in the distance and the dogs didn't like it, so they went back home. And I was like, oh, well, thanks for leaving me out here in the woods all by myself with gunshots, dogs. Let's take a look at what I have going on here. I've got a fire already going. I've got my lights going, but it's still pretty light. It's like only 5:30ish, so I don't think that the sun's gonna be going down until around 7:30, kind of. So we'll wait out for the dark. Okay, so I am laying here outside my tent and I'm just looking up at the cool trees above me, this huge big hickory, and it's very peaceful, I must say. There you go, check it out. I'm just gonna chill out here and then cook my hot dog. So I'll check back when I'm ready to get up and cook my hot dog. Cut myself a branch, I think, to cook the hot dog. So check back with you in a minute. I'm looking for a stick. Okay, I found this little hickory twig. This will work pretty good. This fire is really crackling and I'm burning quite a bit of cedar. I'm burning cedar and a little bit of hickory. But the cedar smells like potpourri, or not potpourri, but like an incense, like a sandalwood incense burning. The center of the cedar is kind of hollow, and there's like this smoke coming out of the center that smells just like incense. Look up my hot dogs. You guys can see that. And then have some cake. Step in the smoke. A hickory. This is a hickory twig. Work pretty good. They're Hebrew National all beef dogs. So, you know, they're pretty good for a hot dog. I was cooking the coals, and now I'm just putting a little flame on it. Kind of blister the skin really good. Ooh, this fire's so hot. Oh my gosh. It is so hot. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There we go. Almost lost my bun, folks. I'm just gonna heat it real quick. Cooper, go lay down. Hey. Lay down. Good boy. That's a good boy. What a good puppy. Oh yeah. Okay. Woo, hot. Okay. This is how I like my dogs. Mustard, relish, red onions. That is it. See if I can get a good... Ooh, it's so hot by the fire. That's my dog. Much better on the fire. Go get. This is a vanilla white cake that I made from scratch with a white chocolate hard filling. No, Bo, move. Bo, no! So the center is this kind of like hard, crispy chocolate. And then the frosting is a whipped cream with cherries in it. And then there's cherries on top. But it kind of got all jumbled around, but it's actually really good. Better than it looks.
Son of a southern man, daughter of a freedman, children of the Civil War. Blackbird on a limb, both of them diving in deeper than they've been before. And down a red dirt path, covering their tracks, strangers in the light of day. Can't fight it, can't stop, and if they get caught, it's gonna be hell to pay. So baby, meet me down by the rolling oak river, where the cool dark water meets the full moonlight. If we can sneak away, maybe we could be together. Candlelight, stop love tonight. Didn't know they'd been followed down through the hollow till a hand grabbed her by the arm. Blood's thicker than water, but even his father.
The aftermath of the campout.
No harm.
Okay, I'm super tired from the camp out. It rained. I kind of got scared awake multiple times during the night with noises out in the forest. And so I'm tired today. I think I need a nap. Okay, before letting you guys go today, I wanted to check in on the chickens and show you how they're doing. They're looking great, they're growing, and we haven't lost any yet, so I'm pretty excited about that and really happy. So let's go check the chickens. My Dannies. There's my babies.
Son of a southern man, daughter of a freedman, children of the Civil War. Blackbird on a limb, both of them diving in deeper than they've been before. And down a red dirt path, covering their tracks, strangers in the light of day. Can't fight it, can't stop, and if they get caught, it's gonna be hell to pay. So baby,